Embark on a journey of versatile functionality with the folding plier knife screwdriver set, a compact and ingenious toolkit that adapts to your every need with the precision of a multitasking maestro. This isn't just a tool set, it's the unsung hero of your DIY adventures, ready to unfold and become your go-to companion for a myriad of tasks with the efficiency of a well-equipped handyman. Imagine yourself in the midst of a home improvement project, and your folding plier knife screwdriver set becomes the trusty sidekick that effortlessly tackles various tasks. Crafted with the reliability of a seasoned craftsman, this set is poised to make your DIY experience as seamless as a well-orchestrated symphony. It's like having a personal toolkit that unfolds its utility magic as you navigate the twists and turns of your projects. Let's delve into adaptability. This toolset isn't just for basic fixes. It's your all-in-one solution for handling anything from precision cutting with the knife to tightening screws with the screwdriver or gripping with the pliers. It's like having a toolkit that flexibly adjusts to your DIY needs. No more fumbling around for different tools or carrying a bulky toolbox. What sets this folding wonder apart? It's not just about having multiple tools in one. It's about adding a touch of innovation to your DIY routine. No more compromising on functionality or dealing with the clutter of individual tools. The folding plier knife screwdriver set is here to make every task a breeze, folding neatly into a compact size when not in use. It's like having a toolkit that understands the art of practicality. Moreover, this toolset is a space-saving genius. In a world where every inch of your toolbox matters, it's the multitasking virtuoso that disappears into your pocket, backpack, or tool belt, always ready to unfold when your DIY skills are put to the test. It's like having a personal handyman assistant, ensuring you have the right tool at your fingertips without lugging around a hefty toolbox. But wait, there's more. The folding plier knife screwdriver set is also your ticket to efficiency. With its foldable design, you can seamlessly transition between different tools, saving you time and ensuring that your DIY projects progress smoothly. It's like having a tool set that not only equips you for various tasks, but also streamlines your entire DIY experience. Remember to hit the like and the subscribe button. See you tomorrow.